What's up?
The boys are all here. Minus George.
Oh yeah.
What's up? Jordan here. Got Taylor, got Elmer, and now we got Sean. We're at SFO. We're heading over to Austin, Texas. First time for all of us. Yep. We're excited. We're gonna get some barbecue.
I think I stopped there to like change flights.
Just lay over.
So I've been there before.
We got our switches. Smashing it up. Alright, we're ready to go to Austin. Ready? Ready for this? Alright. Here at our hotel in Austin, we made it, you guys, and the first thing we do when we get to our hotel room is plug in Super Smash Bros.
Yes. You gotta show them the setup though.
We have our Switch dock and our HDMI. We're using this lamp that came with the room as an extension cable so we can plug in everything legit. But I'm really hungry, so let's go get some food.
Oh yeah? Oh, this is George's room.
Alright, we're here at this place called Easy Tiger here in Austin. Who better to introduce this place than Chris.
What's up, guys?
George's brother, and then actually George.
Oh shoot! Yeah, so it just looks. I've never been here, so I don't know why I'm explaining it, but it's an awesome bar with looks to be a lot of good food. It's not too busy because it's on a Wednesday night. We're all of drinking age and we're all of eating age.
Chris, what can you tell us about this place?
Oh man, this is one of my favorite places in Austin. The food's amazing and it's fun because they've got a great bakery upstairs. It's a nice little gastropub inside, and then you can do like ping pong and stuff outside by the creek. It's a pretty sweet place. So, and it's right at the end of 6th Street, so you can start your night here and then go hit the town.
The whiskeys are $5. Half off.
We got Taylor right here. There you go. Alright, cheers. See you in Austin. Ooh, that's good. We got venison cheddar hot link right here. We got bakwa eating it with a pretzel bun. I just got the sausage. It's pretty good. Sean, what did you get?
I got a turkey sandwich. Jalapeno aioli.
Good?
Alright, I'm gonna try this. Dude, this looks really good. Wow. Dude, you just bite into it. There's just so much flavor. You know, it's got cheese in there.
Really good.
Got a little bit of jalapeno too. Man, that's so flavorful. It's the venison cheddar hot link here at Easy Tiger. Not bad. A little pricey at $9, but hey, you're getting good food. And it's just so juicy, so flavorful. Alright. Taylor, what'd you get?
Venison cheddar. Yeah, venison cheddar hot link.
Alright.
Being able to experience that.
What you got there, Elmer?
I don't know, but it's really good.
The organic shop that they have now.
Really
I like the liniment. So a lot of these places though, like many or most of the bars, like Casino, have there's a back outdoor patio. So you go and you get your drink in the main bar area, but then you get out to the back and you can hang out outside because this is it's nice here most of the year. You just be under the open skies in the back of these bars. So a lot of fun. Been in a long time, but just kind of a super weird.
Sake Mama?
Casino El Camino.
Casino.
George, it's your kind of place.
Yo, they're playing twice. Yo.
A little bird.
Yeah. We're going bird riding. What are you gonna do, Jorge?
There's 2 birds right there, and there's probably some more down there. So I know.
The alarm goes off.
I know.
We're just looking for birds and lime bikes. I mean, lime scooters. No luck. And people just taking them. There's these other ones called Jump. Haven't seen those around the bay. Unless, have you guys seen that around the bay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Maybe like one time.
One time. Got that line. There's one bird right there. Wow. Oh, there goes Sean.
Or we gotta go in the street.
I think you could ride these on the sidewalk. All right, go Elmer, go ahead. So you just push off and then hold the trigger down. There he goes. Oh, we gotta catch up.
Go find where. What do we do? Just keep going straight?
Yeah, keep going. One thing I love about this so far is all the pubs, all the bars. There's like some sort of live music, right, Taylor? Yeah, everywhere you go, there's like live music, live bands. It's pretty nice. So we just went into a convenience store just to check it out, and this lady at the cash register is like, "Oh man, what are you guys? What ethnicity?" And we're like, "Oh, Elmer's Filipino, I'm Chinese, Taylor's Chinese." We're like, "Oh, but I really like the Koreans, you know, because I love BTS." Like, that old white lady? Yeah, she's like, "I'm 52 years old. I love K-pop." It's like, I want to learn the culture, man. Power to the Asians. Well, I guess Koreans. I guess the Koreans, yeah. Who's playing Pokemon?
Mom!
This place kind of looks like San Francisco, but it feels like San Jose, at least during the night. It's really quiet. It's quiet.
Yeah, I feel like we're on Murder Street right now. No one here. Wait, where are we actually? We get lost every time. We're in a new place. Just going all out. Trader Joe's. Got our own
My insider secrets.
insider secrets. We got ghost pepper, potato chips, rich potato chips, kettle chips.
I got nothing.
We got our groceries, and we're all about to do lime bites,
Securing.
lime scooters. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm holding the camera. Oh, bye-bye.
Okay.
All right, here I go. Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh.
Are you trusting the front?
All right, I'm gonna put the camera down. This is too dangerous. We out here riding lime scooters. Here we go. Oh. We got the lime squad.
I got the love.
Lime's the best fruit. I got the goods. The chips. I can't hold my head. Use your butt kick and smash. Samus. Or Dark Samus. See? My reflexes are better.
This is why we're not allowed back in hotel.
Oh, your butt's so big.
So anyway, we're back at the hotel, and we just had the ride of a lifetime on our lime bikes. Sorry, our lime scooters. Now, just gonna end this vlog. Play some Smash, chill, do some planning, and get our trip planned out for the rest of the week. So, I'll see you in the next vlog. Peace.
Bye.